Welcome to the Crochet Channel, the best place in the world to learn crochet online. It's great you are here today because it is always a great day to crochet.
In this video, I will show you how to crochet scrunchy hair tie.
If you like crochet or chocolate, or you just want to be a nice person, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your crochet channel videos. Yay! First of all, we are going to learn the basics of crochet stitches. So to begin, you will need to create a slip knot. You're done! And then crochet a chain. Next, let's move on to crochet a slip stitch. Next, crochet single crochet. Next, crochet half double crochet. Next, crochet double crochet. And the last one, crochet treble crochet. These are the crochet stitches you need to know. If you are ready, let's get started on the exciting crochet project.
The materials I will use today are 4-ply cotton yarn, 3.5mm crochet hook, and yarn needle, scissors, and hair tie. This is so exciting! Let's get started! Before you begin, you will need to create a slip knot. Next, crochet chaining 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So keep continuing and see you when you are finished. Now I have finished with chaining 15 and then attach 2 hair tie. Sew the tail inside the hair tie, and I will join the round crochet slip stitch in the first chain. Insert the hook and grab the yarn over, pull it through, and crochet slip stitch. Next, crochet chaining 3. 1, 2, 3, and then I will crochet double crochet in the next stitch and all stitches around, and we will have 15 double crochet stitches. So yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through, and then yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops left. There you go! This creates 1 double crochet. Two double crochets, 3 3 double crochets. So keep continuing this process all the way around and you will have 15 double crochet stitches. So the next stitch, yarn over and then insert this stitch. So keep continuing and see you when you are finished. Now I have finished with 15 double crochet stitches and then I will join the first round. So crochet slip stitch at the third chain, first, second and third. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through, slip stitch. Now I have created the first round. So for the next round, the second round, keep repeating from the first round by crochet chain 3. 1, 2, 3 and then crochet double crochet in each stitch in the back loop only. This one the front loop and this the back loop. One double crochet, two double crochet, three double crochet. So keep continuing all the way around until the end and see you when you are finished. Now I have finished and then I will join the second round, crochet slip stitch in the third chain, first, second and third. Crochet slip stitch. Now I have finished with the second round. So for the next round, the third round and the next rounds, keep repeating from the second round, crochet double crochet in each stitch in the back loop only. There you go. And then you continue to crochet 40 rounds. Keep continuing and see you when you are finished. Now I have finished with all 40 rounds. And then crochet chaining 1, fasten off. And I will leave the long tail for sewing them together. So I will fasten off. And this one I will cut a little bit shorter with my scissors. And with yarn needle. For this one, find the tail that we start, this one, and the end. So the end go through the chaining 3, and then go through the back loop, this one, and this one, go through back loop, and next stitch. back loop. Next stitch. So keep repeating like this all the way around until the end. So keep continuing and see you when you are finished. So now I have finished, and then I will make a knot to secure it. And weave in all ends. Then time to cut it. Now I have finished with my scrunchy hair tie. If you want your hair tie to be more crunchy, you can add more rounds.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the Crochet channel for lots of exciting, easy, and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Be kind to someone today, and keep smiling until the next video.